if you've got constant research, if you've got constant customer insights, shopper data, whatever you've got available, is finding ways to feed that to the large language models, LLMs, to create synthetic personas. And I think we can finally move away from these, Happy Harry and Mumsy Marina, all of these personas that are developed again in boardrooms that people like the sounds of, and actually overlay that specifically with data that's coming through. But while this top end of town, let's say the marketing elite, aren't necessarily going all at that, it feels like a lot of wasted energy on the generative AI, which is just not quite there yet and won't be solved. It'll be solved inside the platforms. That's where the opportunity is. Not giving space and time to working on positioning and campaign testing. Everything we spoke about at the top here around how do you know that your idea is going to be effective? We're using the LLMs to have conversations, to develop maybe some AI agents or custom GPTs that are based on what are the gaps in the market? What are the brands saying? Feeding it data that you're able to, depending on how deep you can go in terms of your customer data and what your subscription levels are and things like that. But finding insights in what you're doing. If you're a mid-sized brand that's, referencing some global research that was done at the parent company 5 years ago, that's not quite the right research for Australia, this is a massive opportunity for you to lean in to find out what else is in my customer's world. What are some other insights, problem statements? What are their fears? What do they hope to get out of it? Ultimately, our point of view is that the brands that are most successful are the ones that can create a way to tell their story that connects with their customers. And if we think about, let's fast forward, as Duncan said, 3 to 5 years, everybody's now got the same media buying, generative AI opportunities. What is going to stand out your brand from another? It's not going to be that you generated the ad with AI. It's going to be what you fed it. It's going to be the input, and that's going to be hugely human driven from prompting to get those insights. So if you're a brand now in this next 1 to 3 years that can get really, really good at positioning and testing positioning and feeling very agnostic to, okay, here's our overall positioning market, here's what we want to communicate, what's 20 different ways to say this, you're going to be well ahead of the game. And I think there's big opportunity right now for agile marketing teams and agencies to make that shift.